Hi, today I want to show you a module that I discovered to use GitHub that is called pyGithub. So go to github.com slash pygithub slash pygithub and you will can download it, or you can install it with pip. So let's go and install it with pip. So you will go pip install py git guy github, and I have with a space, and I have all the requirements already satisfied. So let's go into Python. I'm using Python 3.7.3, even if there is Python 3.8 now, but it will be the same. And so let's from GitHub import py and import GitHub with a capital letter GitHub, I think. Then you have to go and, for example, g equal and you see here in transparency what you have to do. GitHub user, my user is formazione, and then you have my password here, and I need a U here. Okay, and so then you have to go dot dot. Okay, let's repos. Let's get the repository with method get user dot get repos. Okay, and if I go print repos now, let's do for repo in repos print repo dot name, and you see there is an error because my password is not this one. And so let me from okay, now I got my credentials in this module. You don't have it, so that I put my password in here. You have to put your actual password in here. This is just to avoid showing you what is my password. So now if I go and do repos equal g.getUser get repos, I go here, and then for post in repos, that are my print post dot name, post or repo, whatever you want to call it. There it is. Now it works because I put my password. I repeat, you get to put your password here into apostrophes. This is where this is the variable where my password is that I get in a file called credentials. And so to avoid showing it to you, so I got all my repos here. You see how many are there. And so let's go and into this is what you can do to show the repo, and the documentation of pyGithub is here to do what you need to do with with this module. For example, I think that you would like to use it to update your module. Short tutorial. And to see what you can do with it. Let's see some examples. Get current user. So user equal g.getUser. We have already used it to show the repo. So I think user.name, I guess. Okay, this is my name, and user.login. This is the name of my username. Instead, this is my real name, and let's go repo equal g dot get repo, and let me see my repos how. Or let me try Flask, for example. Let me see if I can get Flask. Not found. Documentation URL. Perhaps okay, now it works. And this is the repo name. And let's see what we can do. Get user, so get repo, get organization, user.login. So this is a check repository. Let's go to repository topic. Let me see what it tells me. If I go repo.topic, topics, get topics, I don't have any topics in my repo. And Stargazer, don't think I have any. Stargazer, it will tell me 0. And in fact it's 0. And get issues. Get all labels of the repository. This is to get all the contents of the root directory and depository. This is nice. Okay, and so content equal repo.getContents with the apostrophes, and for chi in contents print chi, and these are all the files that I got into. Let me see if I do .path. These are my files. This is nice. And what else we can do? Get all the contents in the recursively. Okay, so here you get the contents. And this goes into show the path for app specific content file. Okay, here you get the specific content file. So you go get contents equal repository repo.getContents contents index HTML. Okay, and create a new file in the repository. This is nice. So let me see here. It goes repo create file txt test branch test, and commit content text.txt. Okay, so if I have a test.txt, let me create it with okay, I'm gonna save this one here. I wanna see if I can send this file into my repository from here. That is not the repository linked to GitHub. I don't know if it's possible. I just wanna try to do it. Okay, let's see if I can create a new file from everywhere. Perhaps it's not possible. I think I should be into the directory where I cloned it, clone the repository, but let me just try. So test.txt I call it text. Okay, this goes in a branch. Okay, didn't work before because branch is not found. All right. Let me see without this. Okay, now I think it went in the maybe in the main directory. Let's go into my GitHub. Let me see if it is here. There it is. And okay, but it's not a file that I saved there. It's just what I wrote into here. So if I go again and say this, perhaps is this the hi, this is a test. Okay, let me refresh this. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Let me go here again. Test number 2. Invalid request. Okay, let me see what went wrong. Wasn't. Let me try this way. Changing the name. Going back here. Test 2. Hi, this is a test. So now it worked. And this is the text that you will see in it. While I think this is the test number 2 is the message that we put in the commit. Okay, so we have understood how it works, but I think now that if we want to update the file, you need to update file, and okay, let's try content path. Okay, content path. I think I need to contents.path. Get contents. Okay, if you want to update this file, we need to get the content. So contents equal repo dot get contents. Let's see the first one, text. Oh, ref equal test, I think. No. Okay, let me try with the second one. Text 2. and the ref the ref. Okay, without ref. Text2, and now I am gonna to repo dot repo dot update file, repo dot update file, contents dot path, and adding stuff. This is the comment, I think, and content sha, I don't know what it is. And okay, this has been updated, comma, and contents.sha and stop, because I want to put it into the master. Let's see if the second text here has been changed. Here there is no change. Okay, adding stuff, now it's been updated. Let's go into this. This has been updated. Okay, so this is a first look to the pyGithub module to look into your modules, access to your repositories in GitHub, and to create a new file and to access to a new file. So I will make a summary of these comments that we use here in my post on my blog, pythonprogramming.altervista.org, and so check the link in the description of the video below this video on YouTube. And so don't forget to subscribe, and see you the next time. Thank you.